It's amazing. Wow. Don't see this all the time, folks, but it is certainly something giraffe do on a regular basis to make sure that they're getting enough calcium in their diet. They chew on bones. There's actually two of them chewing on bones here. The other one you can't see. It's just well concealed behind the trees here. I can hear the other one chewing. Look at that. There comes the piece of bone. Incredible, eh? That's a piece of spine she's got there. Look at the little oxpecker also just sitting on top. What an amazing sighting. Now she's obviously just trying to break off fragments of that piece of the spine, which is not easy for a giraffe. They don't have the teeth for it. So it takes a lot of effort. Amazing. You know, if you couldn't see the giraffe here and you were just stopped here listening, you'd swear there was a leopard or a lion chewing on some bones in the bush. If you liked that video, everybody, please remember to like and subscribe and join us on our free weekly live safaris on YouTube.